you to get an inspiration from this. You get this one? Because if you work hard, there's no reason for you not to be at the top. Monday is declared a holiday. And next year we'll have more, not less than 5. Whether prospect students, not next year, not less than 5. We are very good students.
Very nice. Okay, anyway, near about that.
When I saw my coconut first and the newspaper idea, this is the end of the line. But then the mission out like after a while.
Okay.
I was disappointed at first. I thought
All right, good morning everyone. Nice here, Thomas. Yes. And then we are so happy for all the parents. We are so happy all the boys of class 10 passed. Boys or boys? Yes, give them a big round of applause for all the boys. Yes. We're sorry only 2 boys could not make it, but we're so happy that this year the results is good. In class 12 we're doing well as well.
My family, my friends, and all the beloved ones who have supported me. Thank you so much. Yes, I forgot. I'm just really euphoric, and this is nerve-wracking, like speaking, and then.
Hakabalingkong nasiyok tang yang kimak siya yang katotal te ngasmo siro knet kendiat namar ba ngaklemyo yang percentage ke bakam he hande hadin balami kan despat ngasmo komen baka kerteng jongan kalambi ke kajingat nanti kalong kum kiwi kena school ka pasdang school ngong ba ngande pha kan pule ada pasdang panembu teng henry dalalong school pat la subang ban lek kai school ban utama ngakhlem long serious henry hadin kunto pat ka school ki expect ha nang tanayeng te ngapule kat kapala hadin kunto ufak hau January kan nga sutho ba kapor kam dan show kalakim te nga sedang man pule ha nga minat itu kipor bakim ma ha sap nga pule barok kipor jonga shukun tamun pule kat namar ba ki expectation kalong high untuk makhluk jengkerman nga duai ba boleh nyarap yang bat boleh nyarap syang sungguh sikat dia ko aban sim science stream ban kam le bhashu 12 nama ba kalong kam important te ngako aban ong yaki ba ban pule kot bha banembu teng kumbang hale mga ban pule ban ai 100% khnang ba pila ban poi syakmat ngatip ba ka jiminat kalong ka pakongsan ban poi syakmat kapor ba jan exam kuntu nga pule kumba nriu nyaw kunta
haba ka result kalami ngidap la ka jingis komen namar ka jingil ti jingi kum kimi ki paru kalong kumtahi bagi khun kini bha ka jing pule ki jongki dan ko nga ai ka jingu ka buram shaw blai baro bayalam yang kum ka ying ka sem namar ngi suthu bar da klam ka jingalam ka jong blai imla balai yang ba dibarir ka jing im ka jongi te kum ka kemi ba pe ki khun malang ade kenai kun roi reng along kum ka kemi namar ngi salang nadu ba kita ngarit ngapet himanga nadong sadong rengkat ka kemi ka jengki banya besar banya pendap beki ha ka jinglong ha ka do ha ka mensim ha ka dinang jiristan teng so bangin aingu nang ko ngai oblei nang ba jong kane ka jingyo result ka jong ka sapi menta ka singi de ndap ka jisu komen ka bakrau ngai ka jingu ka burom ya ka school hangni ka Alpha English Higher Secondary School kabalang ba principal imam kinong hikai baro kilong ke baya support kilong ke ba ai museum ki ba kloi banyarap ha ka jing pule bat de ka jing ai museum ka jing ki ba penlong ya ka sapi bakan minot ba nak liang jong ngiru ni ong pide ban minot ha ba na school kilak kbilenti ya ka ba bat ka ik ba pila ban le ya kata ngim ong bangin le palat ya ka bor ndrei ka ki ba pidon ke capability ka jing pi kide ban le be khnang ba pidon ra ka burom ya ka school yala dia bat ya ka ying ka siam bat ya ka thanya he bro ka wei ya ka ta ka de ka jing sio ka jongi